Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today guys, we brought for you this gun massager, or you can call it AK-47 massager. Had a lot of names, whatever. Today we brought for you this one. I mean guys, this is the best and the most cheapest price in the market from what I saw. There is a tons of models, okay? Her name is Decathlon, okay?
Oh, this one just needs a little top up of hot water.
I don't know guys, it's hard name, I'm gonna show you now. Anyway, this one cost $130. You can find even with $70, but the performance is really bad. Listen to me guys, I'm gonna tell you something about this gun massager. It's dangerous. You have to know, it's not like a normal massager that have 3 eyes, you do it in your body. No, this one is a professional massager. You can find all sport people and all professionals using this type of massager. Even in the massage center, they use this like this type, okay? So guys, let's go unbox it together and I'm gonna show you what is there. But before we go no further, what are you waiting for? Subscribe right now! Subscribe! So guys, let me show you. This is the brand, okay? Decathlon. Here's the four faces, all of it. Chargeable, blah blah. Here's show you where you have to massage, but you have to watch more than this just picture to understand this, okay? What's showing you the level of battery? We're gonna show you now everything. We don't need this explanation, you know. It came with bag, you know, like you're a doctor. Hello. I'm gonna smack you down. Okay. Here we have nothing, just the charger, as you know. Okay, there's nothing special. Here we have the catalog. It's all by Chinese language. I didn't understand anything from it. And here you have the faces for UK socket. For I don't know why this bullshit. Why not all world do one type of socket and relax our asses? Okay, this is the massager. Here you have this face. Okay, you have this one for knocking. Ping ping. They're gonna fix your back. Ting 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 ting. Spike, you know. And you have this is my favorite one, the folk one. And if you wanna change the face, you just do it like this, bullet, and then you pull this face, like this, so you pull it. Here you have 30, 40, 50 hertz. This is, I'm gonna talk about it later. Keep pressing. It's hurt. For example, now I'm gonna do this muscle. Let's say I work out today this muscle and it's really hurt me. Or I'm gonna do, for example, let me show you. First, for example, I'm gonna do now my biceps, okay? See? Now I work out. Wow. Now I'm doing my biceps. See? My triceps here. It's really, really so helpful and so beautiful. It's really going to help you and relax you. Just you have to know where to make it and how to make it exactly. Don't do any bullshit. Don't do here. Here is dangerous area. Here. Don't do here. Don't do here. See? Don't do here. Only in muscles. Not everywhere you have pain, you don't do it. No, for example, this muscle, you can do it here. You understand me? And goes on like this, see? Now. Wow, now, see? Damn! So, that was... It's comfortable, but it's hurt. Wow, guys, it's amazing. Oh. Guys, you watch my hand how it's doing? Like it's crème chanté, you know? This machine for making. I'm gonna tell you something. The battery, it can hold for 2 hours or 2 hours and a half maximum. And this is going to be so enough, okay? I'm gonna tell you something, guys. If you have money, I mean, if you have money, really, not like me, I'm a poor man. If you have money, run for the most professional one. It's really one of the best creation that they made is 2022. If you don't have money, stick with the one that with 200 or stick with this one. What's wrong? It's enough. I mean, but if you are a really professional sportman, or if you are a really professional sportwoman, go run buy the expensive one, because it's really gonna help you. Listen guys, seriously, this video I'm asking you to subscribe and supporting my channel more and more. And because this is the hardest time that I have passed in my life, especially that I out from Ukraine, I escaped from the war, and I left a lot of things in my home there, you know. I left my refrigerator, washer machine, TV, everything, even money, I left it in bank. I cannot put out money from my bank their account. I left my car there, I left a lot of things, you know. So I really need your support this time, and don't forget to subscribe. And really, I need this at the moment. So guys, as I explained for you, really be careful with this masseur. It's not a joke. Don't massage in the spinal column of your body. You have to massage in the trigger points. You have to massage in the muscles. Use every one, see for which one it is. There is some, for example, this fork, it's for muscles. The other one for back pain, for like this. You have to know where to use it. Avoid the dangerous areas. Spinal column, do not put it there at all. And don't you ever make it in number 3 or 4. Let's have living of stride, okay? Don't you make it number 4 directly. You have to make it number 1 as for first week, I'm telling you. Then later, when you get used to number 1, do it number 2, then number 3. Don't you always do it. Don't you just start with number 4. You're gonna damage yourself. And guys, now I wanna tell you something. When I searched in the market, I found $70, okay? Looks really bad. I found 90, I found 90, I found 170, I found until $1,300. This is the one that Cristiano Ronaldo had in his home. It's the same brand. This one is you can consider it as the most professional one and the original source one. It has maybe 6 or 7 faces, you know, all kind. For muscles, for pain, for everything that you can expect, okay? You know what is the level of professionality in this machine? The way how it go up and down, the level is of movement, and the way of the smooth of movement. There is some machine, guys, it's go like this, poof, 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 she hit, and there is some machine that mechanically go like this, you know. When you see it, she not go beating, no, she go almost like this circle way, like egg circle, you know, like this, like this. This is the professional one. What I saw at $1,300, it was going like this, okay? And the hertz, it's really give the real hertz. You may not understand what I'm saying until you go and try it, you know, and then you will understand what's the difference between the cheap one and the original one. You may ask me, do you really need the professional one? You may need the professional one in case if you are really, if you are a professional sportman. You do a lot of carrying, weightlifting, or running, or football, or boxing, or whatever. You do really professional sports, so you may need this professional one. Otherwise, even this one is gonna be enough for you. So anyway guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up as well, and share this video with someone who may really need to watch this video. And we'll see you in another video with Hatem Objection. Peace and love and money for all of you.